Jesus Christ. It's a nice shirt you got there, sir.
Oh yeah, I'm in the fucking mailbox.
What are we doing out here? Hood rat shit?
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be famous. The one and only.
Nah, don't worry, nobody watches my videos.
Bullshit. What's up?
So you got the tunes going in there too?
It's a fucking streetcar, man. I mean, I gotta have a radio.
Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Oh yeah?
We'd have someone here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's why I'm having torque problems.
2 little baby cars.
Those are $9 intercoolers off eBay.
Yeah.
Butello Performance quoted these
Nice.
bigger things on here.
Big ass bones.
Big ass bongs.
Do you have an intake air temp sensor?
Yes, I don't know why you
Fancier
don't
than
have
me.
I don't know. You see how I drilled and tapped it right there?
See, that's the effort I didn't have motivation for.
I mean, if you're not worried about it, it's
Nah.
been working for you.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
You're not trying to spin the world upside down like me. Man, I'm glad I got the Dominator.
Oh, damn, you got fancy.
Well, I wanted to buy it once.
Saved on the intercoolers and spent on the ECU. Nice.
What's more important?
Hey, that is more important by far. So what is it, stock 5.3? Or stock
well,
6.0?
it's stock Bennett. No, it's 5.3. It's
Oh,
5.3. No, 6.0. I can't afford that.
I know. Hey, pricey.
Man, if I get a 6.0, I sell the 6.0 and buy 4 or 5 things.
Don't be critical of this setup, because it works.
Oh, I don't know about working. You haven't won any money yet.
It sends the car down the road quickly. It works.
It's okay. I don't call it fast.
What size are these turbos?
69s.
And how much boost?
All of it.
Ooh,
Well, right now it's like 26, 27.
poor thing. Hang in there.
Takes it like a champ, dude.
Hang in there.
If I don't do it, man, I look like a damn 302 with nitrous on it, man. I get made fun of. I got nitrous friends who like to make fun of me. I gotta keep up with it.
Yeah, left really soft. Leave it a lot higher. If you can't get the boost, I guess just give it RPM. It stayed on the limiter. I don't think it didn't pull down that low where it came off the limiter. That's just one pass with the skinnies. Yeah. I guess the cop was sitting there at the end of the road the whole time. Turned his light on as soon as he did his burnout.
Not today.
Yeah, well, he's nice about it at least.
You scared or what?
You see that?
Well, that was nice of him to give us a warning.
I love Fort Worth police people. You know what I mean?
Turns his light on, just like, hey, you idiots, I'm still here. So once we got to the new spot, they were able to take a look at the logs and figure out a timing issue that happened on the first pass that caused it to bog really bad. So this pass was the first one with that problem solved. So obviously that one was a little bit too hot, so they put a little bit more of the timing retard back in to hopefully soften up the beginning of that a little bit, just off the button. Jesus Christ. All right, so a little bit better, but still a little bit too hot. So I think what they ended up doing was maintaining the same timing retard, or at least close to, but then extending it out a little bit further. Because what it seemed to have done is got a good bite, but then it just brought in the rest of the power a little bit too early. So now they've lengthened it a little bit, and this is what it yielded. Alright, so that was definitely a lot smoother, but it kind of looked like he might have pedaled it, and I think they found out later on that there was a little bit of a like a closed loop issue. When he wasn't flooring it all the way, it was sitting there making some changes, and that might have been causing some of the surging that you were hearing in there. But they definitely got it sorted out because he went to the track a little bit later, and it was definitely doing a heck of a lot better. We also went to the track, and we got Bojangles out there for its first track shakedown, and we definitely had a lot to shake down, that's for sure. We ran into a couple of problems. What we thought was going to be a really good, fun outing turned into a bit of a shit show. So that'll be the next video coming up. Please, as always, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.